My name is David Watts and I'm from South Africa. Are you starting out as a new trader, or are you one of the millions struggling to make sense of all this confusion? Do you need a mentor but can't afford to pay for one? Well, then Forex for Beginners Academy is for you. Sarah Lee is the founder of Forex for Beginners Academy and is teaching everything you need to know. So from trend lines, Fibonacci, moving averages to a full complete strategy that he uses himself. So why would you pay thousands of dollars for a mentor when you can get one for free? Saad is actively helping people, not just by making videos and leaving people to sort out the rest for themselves, like so many other so-called mentors do, but he's also personally making sure that everyone understands what should be done. To me, that is a mentor. So in a very short time, I've benefited from this training, as have so many others. So join Forex for Beginners Academy and create your own future.